Using HR analytics to drive organizational performance. I want to start by saying thank you for giving me the opportunity to present how HR analytics can drive success in our organization. Quick introduction to HR analytics. HR analytics uses data to measure and improve workforce performance. As a growing software company with 50 employees, leveraging HR analytics will help us make data-driven decisions about talent, productivity, and engagement. Today, we will explore 3 key metrics: employee turnover rate, training and development, effectiveness, and employee engagement, and how descriptive, diagnostic, and predictive analytics can help strengthen our organization. HR analytics matters because it reveals performance patterns and trends. It supports evidence-based decision making and reduces costs and increases efficiency. HR analytics allows us to observe trends in employee performance and organizational growth. This insight helps us make strategic decisions, evaluate the effectiveness of HR processes, and address challenges proactively, ensuring we optimize both employee and business outcomes. I will present to you the 3 focus areas for the analytics implementation. The first one is employee turnover rate. This will track and reduce employee exits. The next one will be training and development effectiveness. This will evaluate how well training programs improve employee skills and performance. 3, employee engagement. Measure satisfaction and commitment. These focus areas align with company goals to improve retention, productivity, and overall employee experience. The first one we will discuss is employee turnover rate. This measures the percentage of employees who leave during a set period. According to Castillo et al. 2019, he discussed the hidden costs of employee separations. Recent research by Ravasgayar and Naran 2024 found that organizations that utilize HR analytics to track turnover patterns and employee satisfaction can reduce voluntary turnover by approximately 18%. This drives performance because it identifies management or cultural issues impacting retention. Reducing turnover lowers hiring and onboarding costs, and it also ensures stability and keeps institutional knowledge within the company. Training and development effectiveness evaluates how well training programs improve employee skills and performance. In small companies, strong training multiplies skill, impacts, and reduces the need for outside hires. Training is a common HR investment, but far too often, HR cannot show whether the training worked beyond completion rates. Castillo et al. Emphasizes the importance of measuring not just efficiency, but effectiveness and impact. Example data: average training hours per employee are 20 hours per year. Post-training performance improvement raised 15%. How we will use analytics: descriptive will be track participation hours and completion rates. Diagnostic will be compare pre and post training performance metrics. Predictive, we will estimate return on investment, such as how training affects promotions or retention. Effective training builds internal talent and prevents skill gaps as the company scales. Employee engagement scores will be scores from surveys that measure enthusiasm, satisfaction, and commitment. It drives performance by high engagement, improves productivity, and lowers absenteeism. It also correlates with innovation and collaboration. And it enables proactive support for employees showing declining engagement. An example: if engagement drops by 10%, predictive analytics can identify departments or leaders needing attention. To dive a little deeper in analytical methods for improvement, Descriptive analytics will summarize historical data to show patterns in turnover or engagement. An example will include monthly retention trend reports. Diagnostic analytics investigates why changes occurred using correlation and regression analysis. Example, link between workload and turnover. Predictive analytics uses machine learning to forecast trends and prevent issues. Example, predict which employees are at risk of leaving. Benefits of HR analytics will allow all data collected across hiring, training, and retention is integrated in interactive dashboards. These dashboards show reporting data, such as what happened, metrics, how effective programs are, and insight and impact analysts will show why trends occur and what may happen next. This allows leaders to make strategic, evidence-based decisions, ensuring resources are allocated efficiently and programs are continually optimized. Following the results of Reveskar and Narayan, we will use retention analytics dashboards and employee satisfaction metrics to identify turnover risks early and design data-informed engagement plans. In conclusion, focusing on employee engagement, training, and retention through HR analytics allows the company to make smart strategic decisions. Analytics helps retain top talent, ensure employee growth, and link HR practices directly to business results. Implementing these practices will provide measurable improvements, ensuring the company grows efficiently with a strong, capable workforce. Thank you for allowing me to present this presentation.